Nursery class maths concept for kids. One big and small. An elephant is big and rat is small. The tree is big and fruits are small. The bus is big and bicycle is small. Kids playing seesaw is moving up and down. One kid is up, another one is down. He is going up by the stairs. He is going down by the stairs. The size of candle is teak and the small candle is thin in size. The fat man is teak and the weak man is thin. Young and old. Rabbit runs fast and tortoise walking slow. Aeroplane is flying high fast and helicopter is flying sky level slow. Tall kid and short kid. Making friends are good and fight with friends is bad.